what charge mode. We'll be right back. Hey guys, this is Joeteck from Joeteck Tips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be talking about a hidden feature in the Prius Prime. It's not even in the manual. Holy crap, that's incredible. So if you press and hold the HVEV button on the lower dashboard, the charge mode kicks in. Now we're going to see, we already started generating energy already. Now we actually have 0.1 miles left on battery. And that number is going to increase. So the whole concept here is to find out how long will it take to recharge. It takes 2.5 hours with a 12 amp charger. If you're using the one that came with Toyota, you can use that at 240 volts. I have a video on how to do that. I'll have a link up top here or over here to let you know how to do that. And if you have the traditional 240 volt charger, that's actually 16 amps, it'll charge the car in 2 hours and 10 minutes. All right, so that's a substantial change. Okay, however, if you're driving the car like now, the whole point is, why can't you charge the main battery? And now you can. So I want to find out, how many miles do we have to drive in order to charge the main battery? So that's the main factor here. The efficiency is not all there. So you can actually, if you keep an eye on how much gas I had when we started, it was just about, I don't know, 2/8 of a tank left, and now we kind of moved down a little bit. Keep an eye on that, because I bet we get to that 1 tick. So keep in mind, we are propelling the car forward, okay? We're propelling the car, we're charging the battery, and we're still using the electric at the same time. So the efficiency of this is really bad. But you can still do it. All right, so that's the main factor here. And we're going to try to see what the miles per gallon penalty is. Okay, so that said, let's see, we have 2.1 miles and we've driven almost 4 miles and 2.2. So it's really 2 to 1. I mean, it's 1 to 2 rather. Every 2 miles driven, you get 1 mile in return. Not all that good. We've driven 25.5 miles. We make it work. We try to make it work. We've driven 25.6 miles and we only have 14.1 miles of energy. It's still cool that the feature is there, but I'm not sure if it really warrants. I'm only we actually hit 40 miles to the gallon, which is shocking. So that's good news. I smell something weird. Hopefully it's not my car. Oh, charge went off. So 21.3. Now we're on electric. Wait a minute, are we on electric? So now we have to go back in EV mode. Interesting. Look at that. All right. So once the charge mode is off, it stays in hybrid mode. So you have to physically press the button in order to go back into EV mode. It doesn't automatically do it. Interesting. So it'll let you know. So you're still in hybrid mode. So we got 21.3 miles of range from the charge, from driving 35.6 miles approximately. I'll look on the video to verify that, but it's somewhere in that range. So now we know what the, we're going to figure out what the ratio is. But it looks like it's 1 to 2, or 1.8 to 2. So every 1 mile driven, well, every 1.8 mile driven, you get 1 mile in return. So guys, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And please hit that bell for future notifications. And we really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Have a good one. But I do want to mention this, and this is very important. It took about 45 minutes to charge the car while driving to about almost probably 95%. That's pretty good. So 45 minutes, 95% while driving. It was inefficient in terms of getting the gas mileage that we got, which is about 40 miles to the gallon while driving. But it killed two birds with one stone. You're able to charge. You lost a little bit on your MPG, about 15 miles to the gallon on MPG by driving normally in hybrid mode. But you still had the ability to charge at the same time, and it charged it in about 45 minutes. So it took us that long to drive 36 miles or so, 35 miles. So I would say yes to do it, because you can charge the car, because now I don't have to worry about I can charge it now in the house on my 240 charger, but it'll only take maybe half an hour to charge it, and it'll be fully done without waiting to charge it, which will be 2 hours and 2.5 hours. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.